Hello everyone, welcome back to Trade Night, and today let's talk about market expectations and which markets we could follow and will follow next week. And yeah, let's analyze charts. And yeah, so today is 2nd March. And next week we will have important news. In Friday, 7th of March, we will have non-farm employment change, which is expected to be around 156k, which is more than the last month. So expectations is that we will have more jobs available, new jobs in February. So we'll see if they exceed this number. Overall, investors are bullish after the Thursdays and Fridays statements. They're pretty bullish on it, so we'll see if they really exceed. And the same goes for unemployment rate. They expect that it will be around the 4% mark. So yeah. So remember that we will have important news probably if you trade lower time frames and you have not been positioned yourself in a trade for, let's say, Thursday, and then Friday comes in 3:30 p.m. the news comes and it stops you out with the slippage, blah blah blah. So be careful about that. Don't take trades 1 minute before fucking news, But if you're a fucking gambler, then full port your account. I don't give a shit. But yeah. So overall, US indices for me at the moment isn't the best market to look entries for, because on the technical side we are fucking in a chop. I don't like this. This isn't for me. As you can see, as you know, go back, watch my latest videos where I made 10k. By the way, last week I made approximately 10k trading, and yeah, go back, watch it. Few trades were filmed live, so yeah, go back, watch it, learn how, why, etc. So yeah, at the moment nothing to do. As you know how I trade, basically I need market to set up exactly the same way on daily, 6-hour or 4-hour, and on 30-minute, which is the entry time frame. So I need the same thing. Basically, we make on daily this. Inside here, we make the same thing on 4-hour or 6-hour, and in here we do the same thing on entry time frame. Basically, something like this, and that's my entry. That's it. There's nothing more to it. So yeah, if you want to learn about the market strategy, how I trade, why I trade, what is the thought process behind it, go in the description, the first link in the description, join, and we will talk more. So yeah, so let's get back to the charts. Basically, every US index isn't good for me at the moment. I need for validation to make something like this. I need that MBs. If we start to make this, then I will probably start to follow around here. Once we make some kind of fractal, we'll see. And I just want to see EMAs to start crossing. If we make, let's say, this would be the first MB, we will, let's say, pause for a second, which would be a few hours because it's a 6-hour chart, but we will pause and do something like this, and EMAs will be still like this. Then I will not look for entries. If at the same point EMAs will be, let's say market is somewhere here, EMAs would be like this, then I will look for entries in here to go higher. We'll see, I don't know, but at the moment nothing. Then let's go to French index. French index looks fucking great, really great. It made these MBs, blah blah blah, and started to flush down. This is perfect. Flushing down are under the EMAs. If you go to validation, beautiful. 4th MB in creation, all-time highs, beautiful. At the moment on entry time frame, of course nothing. We are somewhat stagnating. We are not doing anything. Flushing down. So first MB, second MB, and we reach. So yeah, we'll yeah. So then Euro Stocks also looks fine on context time frame. We have already 3 MBs. We are flushing down on validation, which is perfect because we made huge moves on validation. So at the moment we're flushing down. Again, making some MBs, staying above the EMAs, and on entry time frame doing something like this, and that's my entry. We'll see what happens, but at the moment nothing, but still it can do. Like I said, technicals can change in few candles. We'll see how it performs. Then Spanish index will not take any trades on this one because on validation it's too extended for me. I need the flush out. Unfortunately, we didn't get the flush out here. We still respected the low. I took a trade, by the way, in here. I can show it to you. It was full take profit. By the way, go watch video. It was captured live. And yeah, right here took a trade. But at the moment, this was the last MB. This was the 6th MB on validation. It's too much. I will not take any trades in 7th MB. Even though if it goes, then it goes. Nice, but I will skip this entry. If it even happens, you know. We'll see. Yeah, so Spanish index nothing. Japanese index is fucking ugly as shit since August. I think, yeah, there's nothing to do. Then US oil, nothing to do. Coffee, still nothing to do because we don't have anything on validation. We have flushed down. If we start to make something like this, like I have in here, then yeah. But at the moment, nothing. Then gold, yeah, also nothing. Why? EMAs incredibly fucking bearish. If you start to make something like this, start to make this, pausing, and inside here we make something like this on entry time frame, then I will take a trades. At the moment, nothing, and probably will not take trades in the first half of the week. So yeah, if market gives me something like this, it will happen in the at the end of the week probably. We'll see. Yeah, then let's leave crypto for the last. But then DAX is fucking perfect market at the moment. It is making its third MB, or we could call this as a flash or restart of the trend, who the fuck cares. But overall we have 3 MBs on a context time frame. We have 2 MBs. Took a trade, by the way, here. It was full take profit. I can show it to you. Not this one, this one. And by the way, after that took a loss as well. But yeah, basically this was the trade. Full take profit. It's at this. Before this one, took this one, placed my stop on a break even. At this point, stopped me out at break even, took another trade, and yeah, full take profit. But then on Friday took a loss, and yeah, so yeah, DAX overall looks fucking great. I just need, let's go to entry time frame. I just need first MB, second MB, and we are going. That's it. The DAX is really nice. UK 100 also fucking great. Unfortunately, didn't get any trades in here. Took on this trade, these two. This was a partial, and this was a break even. And yeah, unfortunately, didn't get anything in here. I just needed a fucking pause, and then, but yeah, nothing in here. So for indices, DAX and UK 100 looks phenomenal. Will follow them 100%. And yeah, French index, again, I need something above for it to stay above the EMAs. And Euro stocks, same thing. We'll see. If it, let's say, gaps down here or opens up and falls down, then of course nothing to do, and I will need to wait for double MBs on validation. But yeah, at the moment nothing to do. Then let's let's go to cryptos. And today, actually, we had news from the Trump. Trump announced that basically US government is setting up a strategic crypto reserves. Officially adding major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Solana, I think Cardano as well, to its holdings. And that's the first time a world leader has publicly backed crypto at this scale. And the market went crazy. They're making a strategic crypto reserves for US government is doing it. The biggest player in the whole market is making crypto reserves. That's insane. And within minutes, as you can see, Bitcoin surged over 10%, Ethereum 13%, Solana 20%, and yeah. So let's see about the XRP. Probably something the same. XRP. Yeah, fucking 40%. Yeah, so the question is, why did Trump did this? Some analysts believe that it's part of economical strategy, to position the US as a leader. US always wants to be a leader in everything. That's why US is the place to go if you want to make money, probably. But they want to position themselves as a leader in digital assets. So they have the biggest reserves. Either way, it's a game changer for the entire industry. So the question is, will Bitcoin now hit 100K? I don't know. Maybe it will go back to 100K. 110, 120, who knows? I don't think it's that big of a deal that it will now just keep fucking going and going. We'll see. If it does something like this, I will of course follow Bitcoin on my day trading, but at the moment there isn't anything to do. Even though we had this huge fucking move, it still isn't valid for me to take any trades. We have something on validation, let's say first MB on context. We don't have anything. We're just flushing down. So right now we are more bearish than bullish. We could easily do something like this and then start to accumulate, and maybe go with MBs later this year. So I'm not saying that market needs and will hit 110K in the next week. Probably not. But it's bullish news for crypto, and that's fucking big. So we'll see how this continues. If market stays above these levels and starts to push higher and higher, they're probably not next week, but probably week after that, we will have some good context in cryptos if it really continues. But I don't really think it will happen. So yeah. At the moment, of course, I will not take trades on Bitcoin or any cryptos. But this is very, very, very bullish news. And if you're thinking about investing long term, then of course, why not? Probably wait for some kind of pullback so you get some kind of average price of, I don't know, 89, 90,000, or on Solana. It's a good price to enter on Solana right now, to be honest with you. But yeah, so I don't know. For long term, this is a good place to enter, probably. And yeah, so yeah, of course, not a financial advice, but overall, I am very bullish on Solana. I have bought Solana since August, something like that, and been buying them. My last entry was somewhere here, but entry before that was somewhere here. Then it was somewhere here. So yeah, I have been buying Solana for some time. But it's a long term. It's not 500 leverage, So yeah, cryptos, bullish news. We'll see. It's very important what will happen Friday, because we have NFPs. Powell will speak after that, and we have also the Euro Summit, which is probably, I don't know about what it is, but probably about the Ukrainian war. So yeah. And yeah, so that's basically it for this video. And comment down below, what do you think? What will happen? Will Bitcoin hit 100k? Will other governments start also investing in cryptos and build their financial reserves from cryptos? And most importantly, should you be buying it right now? Let me know in the comment section. Will you buy it right now or not? So yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye.